Okay, welcome to another Sunday Shop Talk. It's a really quick one today. We're dealing with sheep, which are getting ready to lamb this weekend. So we've got 6 sheep in. If they all have 2 lambs, that's going to be 12 in there. It's going to be quite a lot of sheep. We're quite nervous. This is the first year for the lambing for these ones. The ones I did last year were about 7 years old, so they were pretty much used to it themselves. So me and my son are going to be pretty scared about that. And we do have a little cheap camera up there I bought, which I check during the evening on my iPad. Very cool. So anyway, wish us luck with that. So I haven't had much time this weekend to get in the shop and do a video, but I did manage to catch something on video which I've been trying to do for a while, and I keep forgetting to video it when it happens. And that is when the bed of your planer, certainly on the underside when you're doing the thicknessing, when it starts to get a bit dirty or lose its slip, it's quite amazing how hard it is for the planer to pull the wood through if the bed's not really clean. So I'll show you a clip in a minute of me working on a bed project that's coming soon, and it really stopped working the other day, and I just wanted to show you how quick and easy. So a simple spray of Super Glide. I am not sponsored by Felder, and I welcome any other alternatives, cheaper alternatives, but this is what I've got for now. A quick spray of this, leave it for 5 minutes, a very light dust off, and it is absolutely transforms your machine. It's unbelievable the difference. It's brilliant on all of the beds of the table, bandsaw. It really helps working. So I'm going to show you a clip of that. That's what this video is about, really, this amazing thing. And I think we're going to I'll talk in a couple of weeks' time about maintaining the, whether it's cast or whatever it is, stainless tops on your machines. I've got a couple of other products I'm going to hit on next week. Just a quick one today, just to show you the difference between this in case anyone's having problems with their planer thicknesses. Okay, that's it for this week's update. Just a quick one this time, but you can really see the difference this makes. Just in case any of you are having problems trying to use the kind of paste wax, which you can use, this does not do the same job as the Super Glide, which is just quite incredible. Just a reminder, 11th and the 12th, Makerscentral. I've been sent my tickets. Hopefully the winner of my competition got their tickets. So really hoping to see you all there. Looks like it's going to be really good. I'm going to be there on the Saturday, which is the 11th. And then I'm at the Malvern show, country show, on all the other days around it, Thursday, Friday and Sunday. My wife will be there on the Saturday holding the fort, because we've got a stand there with Worcestershire Guild of Contemporary Art, I think it is anyway. But as always, thanks so much for watching. Special thanks to my new Patreons. Thanks for your support on there. I really appreciate it. I'll see you on the next one.